Hi friends, welcome back to my ETF Trader channel. Today we made 3% profits, which is $800. If you see, we made $800 profit. I would say take a profit, but I have made some dumb moves and I did plenty of mistakes today. Let me go through the what are the mistakes I have done. So the first mistake, when I market was open, I instantly wanted to open the position with Moderna. So if you see the Moderna, if you know, this is Moderna. So Moderna was down like, if you put it in 5 minutes, Moderna was down like 6% yesterday. Full day it was fallen, and I saw that everything, my technicals, the MACD was actually curled back up here, and the momentum was going upside. So I wanted to open the position right when the market was open, but instead of Mara, I opened the position with uh, instead of Moderna, I opened a position with MARA ticker. So because of both the tickers are pretty much similar, I didn't read the full names, so I instantly regretted, and I start, even by bluff, I didn't get this. See, if you have no technical things and you get into the wrong tickers, this is what will happen. I want you to guys know that these kind of mistakes, I think we all might have done at some point of time. If we have not done, good for you, and make sure you don't do this kind of mistakes, right? So it's kind of a warning. I just got the warning, but I paid for it, and I lost $1,800 on that position, because I just want to show you that history. So you see, I wanted to open the position here, and then I just lost my entire portfolio here. Not entire portfolio, I just lost I invested 3,734 cents instead of, I thought it is Moderna, MRNA. Now I just by mistake I got a call on this MARA, and immediately it punished me. Instantly it punished me, and it got dumped. So I just had to force sell it. I know there is, because I know that I haven't done any technical analysis on this, so I knew it instantly it's gonna fail. So I just literally lost, sold it for like $1,800. Fine, like I would say, I wanted to open the position in Microsoft and in the morning, but unfortunately I couldn't. It was already up by the time, so I just cancelled it, and then I came into this position. Or else Microsoft in the morning, it was up for a second, right? I instantly, but then I see, even in the 1 minute level, um, Microsoft. So here I wanted to open the position. The moment it opens, I wanted to do that, but I couldn't. It didn't fell. Um, so I'm regretting my mistake there because of that, right? So I didn't do that on the Microsoft, because my when market was falling yesterday, in Microsoft in the pre-market it was going up. So, and then it came to this position, and we can easily make money on these kind of things. It fell down, and it matched this top, and then it dumped. So I wanted to open that position, and it was too late, and I couldn't do that. So that's the reason I wanted to move with a Moderna. And Moderna, instead of Moderna, I found the Mara, and then of course I got failed. And then I opened the position with the couple of SPY calls. First SPY call at 98 cents in the morning, and then I also opened the position SPY call at the same break-even price to average it down, and I sold it at 101.11, and that's another profit I made. So if you look into this, so if I haven't took this Mara trade, so I was up from, like, I was down by minus 3,618 after averaging it. Then the SPY got pumped in the morning little bit, and it recovered to 7%, right? If I have not done this trade here, that is like straight up, I would have gained 16 another 1,800, like, which is like the $3,600 profit, and which I lost it. After that, I opened a position with so I just want to show you the SPY technicals real quick. So the mistake, the good part is, like, SPY, I just saw, let's hide the cloud. There's so much of technicals in here. So in here, if you notice, in the SPY I just wanted to open it in here, right? So you see on the 1 minute 11 it is breaking up, and I opened position once it broken this particular alligator, and then it got it was up like for a second. Then I was thought like it's good, like on the 1 minute we are above the super trend, but the moment I thought, it just instantly crashed here, and this is where it got the support uh, on the 1 minute, right? This is 1 minute super trend support, that is where I got in exactly right here. The second time I averaged it down, and then it rallied all the way this up, and I just sold on this rally. I don't hold the positions for more than 5 minutes, folks. So if you noticed, it's I for some reason market is so dangerous, so vulnerable, and so volatile. It always scares me up, like holding this position for a long time. So if you notice here on the SPY, when I got it in the morning, like this position I opened at 11:10:08, and then I just like, because of holding it, see what happened, it got crashed for a second. So that's my plan B. Then I came back, and then at 10:17 I actually averaged it down. Then at exactly in 2 minutes I sold the SPY. You know, look at the time at 10:19. Now look at the technical tradings here, what happened after 10:19. So this is at 10:19. So I could have stayed till 10:20 also, but look at right after what happened in just 5 minutes. 10:19, 10:20, 21, 22, 23, 24. In just 4 minutes it stayed to that level. Look at this dump, look at these big red candles. It just dropped all the way towards the downside, folks. So that's why you need to be really careful while you're entering and exiting. So we have to be really careful there. So that's the SPY. I then after that I didn't do any analysis, any trading on the SPY. I could have done trading. I had 3,700 in my account, so I could have held on to that. Instead of that, I just got into the Charles Schwab. This is where, and then I was too early to get into this position. It was too down, right? So I was too early to get into this position, and then it treated me really well, so I had to pay fine for it. So it was trying to go back up, it failed again like it tried. If I had more money, I would have averaged it down. That's what I'm saying. I had left over like $3,700, and then what I have done with that, so I invested 3,500. I put all the 3,500 in one shot, so there is no money left for me. This is my cash account. There is nothing left for me to average it down. If I have averaged it down in here, if I fail this, so it's been like I always have been successful. If I got failed this is my next position that I always get in. So see this pump here, the 0.9, it tried to do many times, and then finally break that line, and then it came down, right? So that's why I always keep some money to do that, but today I failed to do that. So I'm doing these mistakes back to back, choosing the wrong tickers and not putting all the money in one shot. So that costed me to lose the gains for the day, guys. So hopefully these mistakes you guys will not repeat it. Make sure you will have multiple plans. Do not invest all your money in one shot like me, you see, like this. So you always, like, if you invest like some money in here thinking this will go up, but if it fails, then it will come down instantly. And like I have a contract, this contract till Friday, but I have no confidence in the market. Anything can happen overnight. So I just like, you see clearly this momentum on the daily, it was going up, but still I do not have the confidence. I can hold on to it, but anything can happen, because you see the 4 hour we just broke. You see this, the MACD is showing downwards. That scared me up. We are below to this moving average line in here on the 4 minutes, and the stock RSI was showing downwards. So hence, because all the indicators are the downside, I don't want to stay on the call. So that's the reason I just moved out with a loss of $1,000 there. So that's the story of the day. These are the sins I have made. 2 sins, 1 good profit, and but 2 big mistakes. So this costed me. I learned lots of lessons from the day. So hopefully we will be up in grain tomorrow again. Hopefully, so yeah, we are up from all the way, like from October 6th. We are up every single day. We are slowly but surely we are climbing upside, folks. Okay, slowly but surely we are staying in the green days. All right. So if you have any questions, please post it in the comments. Go ahead and like my videos and go and subscribe to my channel. All right, folks. All right, then take care. Bye. Good night, everyone.